Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bought this $1 steak at the Dollar Tree, and as you can see I'm just sanding off the glitter that was on the word friends so I could get a nice smooth finish. I'm going to end up using a white acrylic chalky paint. I had kind of wanted to do a spray chalk paint. It's just kind of more my thing, but oh my goodness, as you're going to see, it is super windy today, and so I was unable to do that. It took me 3 coats with this paint to get it to be nice and covered up. Hey, while I'm at it, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and definitely like this video. It really helps me out. Thanks so much, guys. So next up, you're going to see me paint the bottom in little black and white stripes, because originally I was going to do that like a witch's stocking, but after I did it, I didn't love it, but I left this part in here because you're going to see the black lines and I didn't want you to wonder what that was. So next up, we're going to head upstairs and use my Cricut and do a cute little saying, "Come in and sit a spell," because I love to do my front porch in witches. And as you see, we end up just weeding this out, and this is the item that I'm going to place on the steak because I am so much better at this than I am at painting. I feel like the advantage of using your Cricut is I can get such cute fonts that a lot of times I can't find in a stencil, and I'm definitely not talented enough to paint it freehanded by myself. I have the, handwriting of a kindergartner. So I definitely feel like using your Cricut for this kind of thing is a huge advantage. So this is a cocoa liner that I also bought at the Dollar Tree. I used these back in the spring during Easter time in order to make a place setting, but today I was like, this is a perfect thing to make a witch's broom. So this was $1 at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to shred it apart and make it into a witch's broom. I'm just using a rubber band to attach it around here, and then I'm going to fluff it out how I like it, and I'm going to attach a ribbon around the top so you can't see where it connects. So next up, I have this cute little witch's hat that I'm going to hot glue to the top, and then I also have another little ornamental piece that I'm going to just add to give it a little extra pizzazz. The little string at the top I've already attached to hang it, so that way we are just about done. Okay, so next up I have this little pumpkin that I also bought from the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm just going to remove the string and then also take off this ornamental leaf that is here. And then next up, we will definitely be sanding off all of this glitter, because this is all done in glitter, so we can get a nice smooth edge. Then, in honor of my daughters who love A Nightmare Before Christmas, I found this cute vinyl that Cricut made, and I'm going to cover this entire pumpkin in this adorable vinyl. I thought this was going to be tricky, but this actually went on super smooth and nice. So here I'm just finding the holes that were already there and poking it through so that I can pull some ribbon through so we can rehang this. that the pumpkin stem was brown and I didn't like it, so I decided to paint it black. This I also bought at the Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting it apart and I'm going to use it and paint it black so that my words can stick out better, because that's a very busy background and I just felt like this would just help the words pop better. Then it's back upstairs for my Cricut to print off my letters. This turned out so adorable. Okay, next up with our Dollar Tree item, I have this little mason jar, and we're going to sand off this glitter again, and then I'm going to apply Mod Podge all over it, and I bought a cute piece of cardstock paper that we're going to apply to it to make this just a really cute fall piece. So I'm just using my X-Acto knife and I'm cutting around so we can trim it up and make it all nice and smooth. So here we're just going to apply some jute string. They have this at the Dollar Tree also, that you can buy a whole roll for $1, and just going to apply that across the top to give that top of that piece of paper a smooth finished look. You know, I used my Cricut again for my wording, and I got the cute little saying, "Hey there, pumpkin." And if you're wondering what we're going to be making this into, it's going to be pretty cute. I really like it. This is a clip that you can buy at any hardware store. I believe I got this one at Lowe's, and I'm just going to use this as a little clip to hold a photo. Okay, and to finish it up, I'm going to add a little bit of fall foliage and a pumpkin, and our little photo holder is turning out so adorable. And of course, I love the photo that I picked there with my two favorite girls. I hope these ideas gave you some inspiration, maybe gave you some motivation to try some of your own. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!